Welcome to Learn, Study and Grow. Subscribe to my channel. It's sunny day. It's sunny day. It's raining outside. It's raining outside. It's very windy. It's very windy. It's quite cloudy. It's quite cloudy. It's snowing. It's snowing. It's hot today. It's hot today. It's very cold. It's very cold. It's beautiful day. It's beautiful day. It's bit chilly. It's bit chilly. It's humid. It's humid. It's foggy. It's foggy. It's drizzling. It's drizzling. It's freezing. It's freezing. It's warm today. It's warm today. It's a nice day. It's a nice day. It's stormy. It's stormy. It's mild weather. It's mild weather. It's overcast. It's overcast. It's breezy. It's breezy. It's clear skies. It's clear skies.